Oh, respectable audience, my question is 5 times 5 minus 4 divided by 2 times 8. First of all, we have to move from left to right, and according to Thimdas, we have to solve multiplication. So 555 will be equal to 25 minus 4 divided by 2 times 8. Now here is the subtraction, division, and multiplication. Candace says that multiplication and division are in the same question. Then we have to move from left to right. Means from left to right we have division first. So we have to divide first. 25 minus 4 divided by 2 will be equal to 2 times it. Now, according to PEMFAS, we have to solve multiplication because multiplication is fast to end. Finally, we have a subtract our add. So 25 minus 2 times 8 will be equal to 16. Now, its final step, 25 minus 16 will be equal to 9. Hence, 9 will be our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.